Okay, let's do one sine question. So your part C says sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Let's draw the sine curve first. Sine and cos will be relatively easier.
Yeah, I know. It's just tan is a bit harder.
Yeah, because it's clear also.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm gonna pull this a bit up. Okay, we will stick to 3 blocks 90 degrees or one block as 30 degrees. We will not change this. Fix this in your head. Okay, the scale is fixed.
Yeah, I got it.
Minus 90 degrees, minus 180 degrees, minus 270. This should be enough. Okay, and we'll fix 4 blocks as 1 unit, 4 blocks 1 unit. Now you already know the curve. Okay, just to show you, this is the blue one is the sine.
Fine, I got it.
Okay, let me just copy it so that you want simplicity. Okay, this is our curve. Let's use the same. Forget it. We'll use this. So 0 comma 0 will be here. At 90 it's 1, 180 0, 270, minus 1, 360 0. They are asking about 1 by root 3. We will give them 3 values. They ask or not. Okay, we are going to give them 3 values for our practice. 270 will be here, and then 360 it will come down and become 0. Okay, let's join this smoothly, and don't worry about there will be some discrepancy in the angle. Shouldn't be a problem. Okay, now starting with 45 degrees will be where? 45 degrees will be exactly in the middle.
Yeah.
It is giving you how much value? 1 by root 2. How much is 1 by root 2? Check the calculator. Root 2
Should I do it?
is, it's okay, I'll do it. Root 2 is 1.414. So 1 divided by 1.414 gives you approximately 1 divided by 1.414, approximately 0.7. Okay, so 0.7, be very careful where you mark it. This is 0.5, this is 0.75. 0.7 is gonna be somewhere over here, right? So
Yep.
this is the point they are talking about. Understood? This is
Yep.
our 1 over root 2. Remember that. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, because this is the most important point. Based on this, we are going to drop our perpendiculars. Now, we are almost done because all you have to do is drop a perpendicular. Let me drop it carefully. It's not coming. 0.75. This is 0.5. 0.25 gap. So 5 units. Okay. It will go a little bit more up here. Now what we'll do, we'll take this and drop a perpendicular. So it should look like it's at 45 degrees. So let me make this clear. Okay, I want this to meet exactly at this point. So 45, 45. Okay, now it's clear. This is 1 over root 2. Any doubts about this?
No, that's clear.
Now, see, we need to find theta. Remember, we need find more theta values
So join other
for
perpendicular.
y. This is y only technically. Okay, y equals to 1 over root 2.
Uh,
So we need theta values. Remember, first learn this concept. If you need theta, your perpendicular should end on the theta axis. So you will start from the y axis. Okay.
okay.
Let's change the color a bit so that we see. Now we know this is 1 by root 2. So the perpendicular will start from here. Okay, first I'm gonna go towards the right. It meets the curve over here.
Yeah.
You can already guess the value. It will be this. But you don't try to, bring it here. Then it means you are trying to be smart, and there has to be some deviation, right? Nothing is accurate. So show some
Okay.
deviation. It's okay, because we know after 45 the value will be this, right? It will
Yeah.
not be this only. It has to be 135, not this. Okay, but we will still draw here. So our perpendicular will come down here. Okay, any doubts?
Nope.
Now if you look at this closely, this is 120 and this is 120 and this is 150, correct? It should actually come exactly in the middle, but because our curve is not like this, if it was like
Yeah.
this, you can see that it would have come exactly in the center, right? So let me make it, because we are practicing. In the exam it's okay. So what you do is, when you are drawing this, fine. When you're drawing this, give it some extension. What I'm doing is I'm dropping it immediately like this. That's why my graph has a problem. Okay, give it some extension, like you should give it some more, what do you say, slope. I don't know the word, you can just use it. So not like this, okay, not like very narrow, but it should be little broader. Okay,
Okay.
when you do this, then you will get the exact value. Let me do this. Okay, not much, just a bit. Okay, now if I drop my perpendicular, which is this, it will go here, and now if I drop it, you can see that it will come exactly at 135 degrees. This is your second value. If you use your
Okay.
calculator, you can verify that it will be your second value.
Yep.
Okay, so
And then can I try to get the next one?
you get the next one. So theta is 135 degrees. Try value on the left. You will get two values on the
Yeah,
left.
that's what I'm doing. Minus 225 is that one?
Yeah, you're right. It should be in the multiples of 5. I'm just gonna make it a little bit like this. Okay, I'm using another tool. Hold on. Okay, but you are right. You will drop perpendicular from here on the curve. So I'm cutting the two values.
So the other one will be three minus 315.
So correct. So one is this, which will be, as you said, this is 210, this is 240.
Yeah,
The
so
exact
210
value
minus
is,
210 minus 15.
this is exactly, theta is minus 225 degrees, and this is also close, pretty close. This is also how much? 300, 330. So how much? 315 minus 315 degrees. These are the another two values. So 135 minus 315 degrees minus 225 degrees. Understood?
Yep.
Clear? Any doubts?
No, no.